What's this, man? Go inside. Go inside. Down. Back down. Move. What's on this? Benjamin! Get out! Benjamin! 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 Benjamin!
Joshua! Joshua!
Yummy, right?
Yummy.
Delicious.
Wow.
Before I bring in.
Who's that?
Mama.
Answer her.
Hello, Ma. Mama, we're on our way. We are on the road as I speak to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you see us soon. Bye.
Mama.
She wants to know if we're on our way. And we are.
Baby, do you know what?
No.
Your beauty is always making me have a hard on.
So are you hard right now?
Yeah.
Are you tired?
Sorry, sir. Are you?
Nurse. Please. Where's my wife?
Your wife is fine. She's receiving treatment. Sir, no, relax. You need to relax. Sir, you need to relax. Don't stress yourself. You need to relax, sir.
Take me to my wife.
No, sir, no. Sir, no. You need to relax. Please,
Take
sir.
me to my wife.
She's okay. Sorry.
Nurse. Nurse.
Sir.
Is Dr. Benjamin okay on seat?
No, sir. He just left. Sir, you need to relax. You don't need stress. Please, I want to go back to your wife. Sorry.
Yes, Dr. Ben.
Hello, sir. This is Nurse Joy. We have an emergency at the hospital, sir. And your attention is needed.
It's alright, I'll be in the hospital now. Okay?
No, let's just finish this first, please.
We can't finish this. I have an unconscious patient that needs my urgent attention. Alright?
They can wait. Just 5 minutes, okay?
Darling, they can't wait. Come on. I have to go.
Babe, you can't leave me like this. Why are you always doing this? I'm beginning to feel you doing this deliberately.
Babe, I understand. But trust me, this is my job. Okay? Listen, I promise you I'll be back tonight.
Babe.
And when I do, it's going to be just you and I all night long.
Okay, just 5 minutes. Okay, the patient can wait. Just 5 minutes. Just relax, babe. Just
Alright, so you know what? You can come with me to the hospital. Alright? Grab your bag. Let's go together. Come on, hurry up.
You're not waiting for me? Where are you?
Nurse, please. How is my wife?
Sir, she's still unconscious. But we are doing our best we can.
Please, is the doctor not back yet?
No, sir. The doctor is not around.
Please, I need to see a doctor. Nurse, I'm willing to do anything. I cannot lose my wife. Okay? Call the doctor for me. If you want me to pay you, I can pay you. She's everything to me.
Sir, you need to hold on. Hold on, sir.
Mama, I'm off to the market. If my aunt come back, tell her I'll stay home.
Ada, I believe your auntie gave you money to buy these things before leaving the house in the morning. So why are you buying them now?
Mama, I was busy inside. You know how this thing is. Only me doing this house chores. It's not easy.
Oh, stop these excuses and go on. I don't know how a young girl like you prefer to cook late.
Don't worry, I will not stay long. I'm coming back now, okay?
Is it ready?
Benjamin,
Joshua, Omo.
What are you doing here?
oh, Benji. Ben, myself and my wife, we had an accident and she's unconscious inside.
Hold on a minute. You mean Priscilla is the unconscious person I was called in here for? Oh my God. I need to see her immediately.
Please. Please help me out, John. Please, save my wife. Please.
It's alright, Josh. Nothing is going to happen to your wife. Alright? I would like for you and Anita to excuse me so I do my work.
What's going on? Where is she?
The doctor is attending to her right now. You got my text message?
Yeah, I did. I had to rush down here. I left everything I'm doing. I hope it's Dr. Benjamin that is attending to her. That guy is good. He has magic hands. I can assure you.
Wait a minute. Tony, you mean you know Benjamin?
Yes, he's my family doctor.
Benjamin happens to be my flatmate back then in the university.
You don't mean it.
Yeah.
What a small world.
You can say that again.
No, Joy, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the doctor wants to see you.
You have to go now. I'll be waiting. Where is she?
Okay, let me see the doctor. I'll be right back.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Well, she'll be fine. Alright, she only suffers from shock. But as soon as she wakes up, she'll be ready to go. But the thing is, what exactly happened to her? Because I know you to be a very reckless man. So tell me, what happened to your wife?
Please save me that sermon. How do you mean by that? I mean, you're not my parents to give me such an advice. Besides, what happened was just an accident. It can happen to anybody. You said she will be fine once she wakes up and I can take her home, right?
Of course, yes, Josh. You can take her home when she wakes up. But like I said, you're a very careless man. And you need to understand that at this point you are married. And you have to cut your excesses. I'm telling you this as a friend and a brother. Okay?
Thank you very much, Dr. Benjamin, for your advice. Please, can I see my wife now?
Of course, yes. Yes, you can. 1 minute, please. Yes, come in, please.
Sir.
Nurse, please take him to go see his wife and tell the lady I came to come in now. All right?
Okay, sir.
Good.
Sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Josh.
Mama, good evening.
Good evening, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. Is my auntie back?
Oh, that reminds me. Last time that I spoke to them, they told me that they're on their way coming back. Ada, please, get me my phone. Let me know the reason they are not here yet.
Okay, Mama. Come.
Hello, Mama. Mama, we had a little problem. Mama, we had an accident. But please, don't panic. Don't panic. It's not too serious. We are fine now.
Okay. Okay.
It's just that my wife is unconscious. Yes, but the doctor said that she's fine. Once she wakes up, they will discharge us and we will come back home.
Okay. I will be there right away.
Mama, please, there is no need for that. You don't need to worry yourself. You don't need to come over here. We will soon be coming back home. Mama. Mama, we are at Everyday Life Hospital. Yes, ma'am.
Ada! Ada! Oh, where is this girl? Mama, Ada, leave whatever you're doing and dress up. Come and take me to Everyday Life Hospital. Your auntie and my son, they are there. They are involved in accidents.
Jesus Christ. Mama, hope they are okay.
Please, don't ask questions. Just take me out from there. We'll know when we get there. Oh my God.
She insisted on coming.
There's nothing you can do about it.
What's all this? There's no food in this house. And I thought she prepared food. That's even the main reason I didn't get anything on my way home. I'm so exhausted.
kicking.
You know, all my life, I prayed for you to be mine. And now you're here. Listen, I promise you, I will love you for the rest of my life. Alright? I'll be right back.
Okay.
I thought I told you to wait.
No, your son needed his father.
Really? Come here. Daddy's here. Let me make food for you guys.
Right.
Okay? Now you just stand here and watch.
Okay. Benjamin? Is that you?
Hey,
Where am I?
thank God you finally back to us.
Where is this place?
Priscilla, you had an accident.
What?
Yes. And you're in the hospital.
Where's Joshua? Where's my husband? Oh my God, you look. Where's my husband?
Oh, he went outside to see a friend off. How are you now? How are you feeling?
I'm alive. I'm alive.
How do you feel?
Weak. Headache.
Well, all of that is as a result of the shock. But trust me, as soon as you're well rested, you feel better.
You heard the doctor, right? You'll be fine.
Please excuse me, I need to find Josh to prepare you for discharge. I'll be right back, Mama.
Okay.
Oh, darling.
Babe, it's already 7 p.m. Let's go home. Besides, I'm hungry.
Oh, no, darling. I can't go home now. I have to be here until the patient wakes up so I can run some more tests on her.
But you told the husband that she's fine and waiting.
Of course I know what I told the husband, darling. Are you trying to teach me my job?
No, I just need my man.
Don't worry, you have all of me. Alright? But for now, I'll just send you some money so you can buy some nice food and then wait for me at home. I promise you I'll be back before dinner, okay? There you go. Done.
Thank you. But I'm holding you by your words. You're coming before dinner. I'm holding you by your words. You're coming home soon, right?
On time for dinner.
You promise?
Promise.
Okay, baby. Love you.
I love you more.
Yeah.
I was really angry you didn't cook anything, but seeing the stuffs, I'm no longer angry.
Really?
Yeah, of course. And hey, I know they're for my brother, but that doesn't mean I won't have some.
Juliet, you're something else.
Of course I know.
Please, let's go to the
I
table.
know. Thank you. I got rice. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
No, I'm waiting for Benjamin.
Are you sure he's coming back tonight?
Of course he's coming back. He actually promised me, so I expect him to keep his words.
Okay. You know, I'm just saying, my brother, you know him. He behaves like a jerk.
Thank God you know your brother.
I know him. I know him. I'm not scared. I used to say it to his face. He behaves like a big jerk.
Jackie Chan, I know you are not scared. I know you are not scared of anybody. So please eat your food while I wait for my boyfriend. Thank you.
Alright, I'm a lover girl from you.
Anita, leave me alone, please.
Thank you for the meal. It's very tasty.
You're welcome.
Josh, this is past 8 p.m. Why don't you two just spend the night here? Tomorrow we go back home together.
Oh, wow, Benjamin. You know that's not possible. Especially now that my mother is here. She'll be very, very worried.
Oh yes, I understand. Are you sure you're strong enough to drive home?
Yes, I'm strong and very, very okay to drive. Just kindly get me the bills, and if there is any other medicine that we need to take, bring them together.
It's alright, I'll do just that.
Alright, thank you very much.
Give me a minute. Yes. Yes, I'm not supposed to do this, but I'm doing this because you're my friend. Okay, yeah, for both of you, the prescriptions are holding it in there.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You wrote my name and Priscilla's name here?
Of course.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. And as for the bill, I'm
Yes.
sure the account department will tell you how to go about it.
Okay. Thank you very much.
My friend, you take care of yourself.
All right. Oh, my love. You don't need to be sorry, okay? What happened was not your fault. I mean, I shouldn't have forgotten that I was driving and there were other road users too. Okay? We should just thank God that we're safe now. My love, you need lots of rest. Okay?
I'm sorry, man. I can't follow you to that party.
You made your choice, okay?
1.5, right? Yes, 1.5. Madam, do quick, I bet make I shade other markets. How you take concern me? Give me my money, Biko. You can't find your money.
I had 2,000 naira.
Now my business. Give me my money now. I come here, I come shade market because of you.
Yeah, I know.
As a political science student, I don't have anything to worry about.
Political science, my. Damn. Who's that there? Hold on.
I didn't talk, Seth. Give me my money. You don't even lick banana. Come out this side. Give me my money.
Okay, can you please give me some time? Let me go.
Me?
Let me use ATM or something.
Madam, no ATM for this place. Give me my money. I'm not going to even allow you to come out here. Go give my money. I don't understand. How you take concern me now? Hey. I open here for you.
What's going on?
Relax, waiting. Bring where? Give me my money, I beg.
What's the problem?
Okay, just see me, see wahala. This thief will come from nowhere. Come price my banana and finish. I didn't talk. Nah.
Hey, come on, calm down.
I am giving my. Who's it? Just banana. Now you don't want to give my money.
Can you calm down?
Okay, no, they speak English for me. Now my money I want.
Relax. How much is the money?
Now 1.5.
1.5.
Eh.
I got it.
I swear I have 2,000 naira in there. I don't know how it just disappeared.
So don't worry, I have the money, okay?
Have money, dear. Because give me my money. My money. I bet take your banana. Take your banana. Because Oga, thank you. But I don't get change, you. I don't get 500. Just they come out.
Oh, that's all right. Keep the change, huh? Keep it good.
Carry your banana, they go. Now which one are they fine? Now go the package.
Hey.
This is where I live. Do you guys want to come inside?
Maybe some other time.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So, we didn't know we had a beauty like you in this campus.
Oh,
what course are you studying?
Biochemistry.
That hard course. Come on, it's not like my course. I'm actually studying medicine and surgery.
Oh.
Yes, and he's studying political science.
Okay.
He's got plans to start packing all of our money in this country.
Right.
Please, beautiful queen, may I take you out tomorrow night for a dinner? Let's say 9 p.m. will do.
You are very direct, aren't you?
Every right-thinking man in his right senses should be direct talking to a beautiful woman like you.
Well, you have my number, so...
I'm the one who has the number, not him. So,
I'll get the number and I'll call you tonight by 9 p.m. before you sleep.
Okay. See you then. Bye-bye.
why are you pushing me now? No, I don't understand. Get which number?
She's beautiful.
Bro, I'm not giving you that number. I swear to God, I'm not giving you that number.
She's my woman. I need that number.
I swear to God, I'm not giving you that
What?
number. I swear to God.
Who's calling you by this time of the night? Your phone?
Is it 9 o'clock?
Yes, exactly 9.
Shh.
Hi, beautiful.
Hey, handsome. You were right on time.
You know, I was scared you might have slept off without me hearing your beautiful voice.
No, I'm awake. I'm still here. I'm studying for my test tomorrow. Oh, it's a science subject and I won't even lie, I'm not so good at it. I'm telling you, Benjamin, he's good with science subjects.
Yeah, Benjamin is a genius. He's very good.
No kidding. I'll be needing his help then because I have a test tomorrow and I'm trying to wrap my head around so many topics. Maybe I can see him and help school me on a few of the topics before I enter the hall. Is he there? Can you give him the phone?
He's right here with me.
Christy here. She wants to speak to you. Hey, what's up, babe? What's good?
Hi, Benjamin. I'll be needing your assistance tomorrow, if you don't mind. I hear you're good with science subjects.
Of course, yes. I'll be glad to be of help. Just call me anytime you need me and I'll be there to put you through.
Oh, great. Absolutely. I'll call you. Thank you. Please give the phone to Joshua.
Oh, I should give him the phone. Okay.
Hi, beautiful. Oh, so tell me, how was your day, excluding the bad parts?
My day was hectic, but thanks to you, it turned out great.
Oh, yeah. Forget about that. I was able to meet up. You know what? I'll tell you more about that when we meet tomorrow, okay? Like I said, 9 o'clock. I'll be there.
Okay. Enjoy your night too.
You're welcome. I want you to know this. You're beautiful. Very beautiful.
Good night. Bye-bye. What?
What's what? Oh, please. Spill it already.
Her voice is just like an angel.
Yeah. Josh. Can I ask you for a favor?
A favor?
Yeah.
Of course. Pardon me. Ask anything.
So we're speaking with on the phone.
Okay. Priscilla, are you hiding something from me? Talk to me now. Who was it? Who are you talking to? Is the guy rich? Okay, is he handsome? He must be rich or handsome because you're not the type that flirts with men. And for you to give this particular guy your number. That guy must be very rich or very cute.
Leave this girl for me. I mean, I like her so much. Just leave her for me.
You mean Priscilla?
Yes, Priscilla.
You must be kidding me. Why should I leave her for you? So you can rubbish her the way you rubbish other girls in this campus? Relax.
Come on, man. Come on, Josh. It's not like that. It's just that there's something about this girl that I've never seen in any other girl. The girl is different. I swear.
Ben, I know your anthem. I know your sermons. I know how you used to persuade me. This one is different. Leave this girl alone for me. She's mine. I've been leaving every other girl for you. You know now. You know. But this particular one, leave her for me. Not be every woman will come between us. You go one collect. Leave this one. This one for me.
Just calm down now. I'm just telling you something very serious. I like the girl. Just freestyle this girl for me, man. So, like I said earlier, enzymes are also catalysts that speed up chemical reaction. Examples are hydrokinase, glycokinase, glyco-6-phosphates, isomerase, and the hydrogenase. All you have to do is follow this and you will see.
Wow. You know, oh my God. Mr. Abu did not explain this the way he just did.
Well, I'm glad you understand now.
I do, I really do. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So all I needed to do was,
No,
I'm
we
supposed to follow the diagram.
Of course, yes. Just like this and this.
Right. Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anytime you need help, you just call on me and I'll be here to teach you.
Thanks. Oh my God. Wait, let me go back to here. So, how do I look?
Someone is looking
Tell me about it.
beautiful.
Tell me about it.
Sexy. Babe,
Stop it.
you're looking so hot.
Thank you. Oh, there you are.
Hello, beautiful.
Hello, handsome. Welcome.
Wow.
You're always punctual.
You look beautiful.
Tell me about it.
You know what?
What?
I hate procrastination and I hate to be late.
Oh.
You're beautiful like the flowers in the morning that wakes up with the morning dew.
Oh my God.
And that is why I bought this flower for you.
Oh. Oh, you're so thoughtful.
You like it?
Thank you. I love it.
I love you too.
Joshua, right? You must be Joshua.
Oh.
the good man that saved my baby girl the other.
That's nice.
You're beautiful like the flowers in the morning that wakes up with the morning dew.
Oh my God.
And that is why I bought this flower for you.
Oh. Oh my God, you are so sweet.
Roses are red.
Oh, you must be Joshua.
Yes.
The good man that saved my baby girl the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My roommate, Jane.
Jane, nice to meet you.
Same here. Thank you
You
for
told her
the other
that?
day.
Well, yeah.
This friend of yours is about to save a lonely man.
Wow.
Aww.
Shall we?
Yes, we shall. Okay.
Hi, Joshua.
Yeah.
If you hurt my baby girl, I will hunt you down.
Trust me.
Take good care
She's
of her,
safe.
please. Thank you. Let's join.
Thank you very much.
Sarah,
Yes,
I hope you had a wonderful time.
I absolutely did. I had the best night ever. I will not forget it in a hurry. I'll save it in my memory forever.
Something has been bothering me.
What?
I'm sorry, I know I'm being too forward. But I don't know how to slow down. Priscilla, honestly speaking, I love you so much. Please, Priscilla, will you marry me?
Oh my God.
And quench this fire that has been burning me up?
Oh, Joshua. I don't mean to turn you down, but can we keep going slowly like we've been? Please?
Priscilla, I'm sorry I'm being too forward on this. The fact is that I can't do without you, honestly speaking. Please make me a promise. Can you promise me you will not leave me for another man when you're ready? Please. That's a promise?
Oh my God! I'm sorry. I'm
It's
so
okay.
sorry.
It's all right.
I didn't know you guys have come back.
It's fine. You just see a horror movie stuff over here.
I'm just okay. Let me leave you guys.
No, don't worry. Priscilla, I'll leave the both of you.
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Oh my God! What happened? How did it go? Talk to me. Come on, sit down.
After all these years, why haven't I forgotten about this girl? Even when she's married to my best friend. What I did is the best thing for me. Josh can never beat me twice.
Hello, pretty lady. Where are you heading to this morning?
Good morning, Paul.
Yes, the morning is good because I met a beautiful lady like you. So tell me, where is she heading to?
Where is your car?
Back to behind you.
Please, can you drop me at home?
Sure I can, sweetheart. Come on, let's go.
Just tell me you don't mean it. I can't believe you do. Okay, just give me a minute.
I'm gonna call you back in a jiffy. Yeah, thanks. What's wrong with Benjamin? How long does he intend hurting the only soul that loves him genuinely aside his immediate family? What's wrong with him? It's ringing. I need to pick up.
Why don't you go ahead and pick your phone? This is the third time your phone is ringing. Come on, go ahead and pick it.
I don't want to pick the call. Just focus and drive, please.
Okay, if you say so.
She's not taking my calls. What's going on? Okay, let me just try one more time. What's going on? Did you sleep with her? I know she's all that matters to you. And now that you have seen her, you will be snatching her from her husband. Thank you for wasting my time. Benjamin.
Please, my dear, don't be offended. This is off the book. Can I take you to my place for breakfast? I have Caribbean coffee. You'll like it.
No, just take me home.
Okay.
Mama. Oh. Well, good morning.
Good morning, my son.
How are you doing?
Fine.
How was the night?
Very fine. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
I hope you slept well.
I slept good.
So, how is she?
Oh, yes, she's fine.
She's still sleeping, I guess.
Yes, she had a rough day yesterday.
Same with you, son. I hope you're stronger now.
Yes, Mama. I'm stronger now.
Okay.
I need to quickly go upstairs.
Sir, okay. I'm through with it. Can I take it to your room?
Okay, no, don't worry. Thank you very much, Ada. I'll pick it up from there, okay?
Okay.
Prepare breakfast for Mama.
I've already eaten.
Have you?
Yes.
Good. Okay.
Mama, good morning. Good morning, dear.
Baby. Baby. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
Breakfast in bed. How do you feel? It's okay. You know, the doctor said you need lots of rest, and that is why I did not wake you up earlier.
What time is it?
It's past 9.
What did you make?
Tea and bread.
Did you fry egg?
Yes, I did.
You are so sweet.
I love you.
Thank you. Shouldn't you be at work?
Oh, today is Saturday. You know, I don't go to work on Saturdays.
Oh. I'm very sorry about the accident.
Come on. Honey, it's not your fault. Okay? You see, accidents happen on a daily basis. We should be thanking God for sparing our lives.
Right?
Yes. And remember the Keke man? We should be thanking God for the Keke man's life too.
I know.
Just imagine what would have happened if we had hit the Keke man. The story would have been different.
I know.
Baby.
Yeah?
All thanks to God that we are alive.
This is good.
You like it? Honey, you remember the doctor that treated you?
Yes. I was going to ask. That was Ben, right?
Yes. That's Ben. You know, it's a small world. I don't know Ben is practicing in this town. You remember we lost contact after our wedding? You know, Ben is a good guy. I will always love him.
So you still do love him?
I do.
I was so jealous of the way you liked that guy.
Oh.
It almost seemed as if you preferred him to me.
Oh, don't say that.
It looked like it.
No. You see, you can't just mix the two. But the fact is that Ben will always be like a brother to me. But let me get you your drugs.
Thank you.
I love you.
I know.
Sis, you're back. What is the problem? I didn't expect you to come back this early. What is the problem? Sis, I'm talking to you. What is it?
Lucy, what is it? Just let me be.
Sorry. I'm sure you must have done something again to her, as usual.
I can hear you. So please just shut up your mouth.
I am not shutting up my mouth, sis. You're my sister. I know he must have done something bad to you again, as usual. But I know you. You don't want to give up on him. No, you don't want to.
Lucy, please just shut up.
I've said my own, and I will keep saying until you listen to
I said shut up! Leave me alone! What is your problem?
God.
Hey. Wait. Can you come around before 10? I need to sleep now. Yes, I'm off this morning. It's alright, I'll be waiting.
Hello, Ben. Ben, where are you?
Am I home? Why?
No.
Really? Benjamin, really? You're on a call already with another woman. Inviting her over to the house. Not minding to know or care how the one you left here all through the night, how she's feeling or faring. What has come over you? What is wrong with you? Brother, what is wrong with you? Because it's obvious so many things are wrong with you these days. What is wrong with you? I mean, I'm beginning to doubt if I'm from St. Jane. Because I don't know where you picked up this act of wickedness from. What has Anita done to you? Huh? What has Anita done to you? Cut her some slack. That lady has been up and doing. She has done everything practically possible to earn a special spot in your heart. But what does she gain in return? What? You treat her like a piece of trash and make her feel irrelevant. Why are you being so mean to Anita? Why? What? Why? I'm talking to you. Why? Really? What if I bounce the hole you just called out of this house?
You were not there. You were not.
Really?
Yeah, hello.
What did you do to your girl? I saw her heartbroken this morning. What happened?
I did nothing to her. Alright?
Oh, I see.
She wants so much from this relationship, and I'm not in the position to give her all of that time. My job takes all of my time. I don't have the luxury of time.
Bro, listen, Anita seeking for more attention doesn't make her a bad person, okay? No, you should make out more time for her. Squeeze out more time for your woman. She's a good girl, my brother. Don't lose her. Don't lose her. Oh, you never know what you have until you lose it.
I'll try as much as possible not to lose her. Can I go take my shower now?
Sorry to worry you for it. Come on, get out of my head. Talk to you later, bro.
My love, hope you have finished the food.
I'm doing it.
Maybe you need to eat so you can be able to take your drugs, okay?
I don't like drugs. Swallow. What kind of drug is this? I mean, there's no inscription on it.
I don't even know. Look at mine. It's almost the same thing. I don't know.
You know, sometimes private hospitals come up with these kind of pills. nameless, so that when you drink it and you feel the efficacy and then there's need for refill, you come running back to them.
Yeah, that's the point.
That's what they do.
I don't really know who is even planning on going back to these kind of drugs. So we need to go over and we'll have. Okay. Okay. Take.
Chi, what I'm saying is, I don't know what to do. I have done everything humanly possible to please Benjamin, but he keeps distancing himself from me like I mean nothing to him. What else am I supposed to do?
Are you being serious? But I thought this guy promised you an undying love while he was trying to woo you to his bed. So what changed?
I don't know. I seriously do not know. I am lost. Chi, the worst is, he likes standing me up whenever we want to make love. Just like what happened yesterday. He puts me in the mood only for him to just tell me I have an emergency in the hospital.
You mean Benjamin? You mean he turns you on and then dashes off to nowhere?
Exactly.
Babes, no man will ever try this with me. No man can ever leave me hanging up there. For what now? Who does that?
Chi, he's a medical doctor. And when he tells me, "Hey babe, I have an emergency in the hospital," what am I supposed to do? No, you tell me. What am I supposed to do then?
Emergency. Really? Emergency. Abi he rushes out to see another woman.
I beg your pardon?
Babes, listen. Benjamin doesn't make love with you. He doesn't satisfy you. Listen, there's a popular saying that if your man doesn't spend on you, he does that to another woman. Meaning that if Benjamin doesn't make love to you, if he doesn't satisfy you, he does that to another woman outside. Come on. Listen, Benjamin doesn't touch you. He does nothing for you, nothing. And you expect me to believe he doesn't have another woman outside? Hell no. Benjamin is a man with blood running through his veins. You have to wake up.
Sister, why are you doing this to yourself? Why are you not seeing that this is a red flag? If you ask me, I will say you should look for a way out of that relationship. Because as for me, Lucy, I will never manage with any man. Never.
Can you listen to your kid sister?
Listen to what?
She is right.
She's not right.
She is.
What does she know about relationship? No, what does she know about men? Lucy, I have had enough of you. Leave. Eh? I said leave this place.
Anita, calm down.
Sister, I am no longer a kid. I know everything about relationship. Get out! Are you mad? I'm talking, you are talking. Are you crazy?
Anita, can you stop?
No, can you imagine?
She is right. You have to start thinking. Think. This guy doesn't love you.
I love Benjamin. I love him.
Oh, never mind.
Hey, baby. How are you?
Please go upstairs, drop your stuffs and come help me clean up the dining room, okay?
Ooh. What do we have here? I see. An untouched meal? Did your date stand you up?
Will you stop asking me silly questions and wipe the dining clean?
Come on. Who is she? I mean, who is the bitch that came here last night?
Listen up. I did not invite you here to interrogate me. Alright? So just go clean up that mess. What all this questioning for?
I see you don't want to tell me. Well, no problem. I'm here, I will see the end of it.
Babes, that reminds me. How about this guy? What's that his name again? Paul. Yeah, Paul. I thought that guy has been asking you out for some time now. Why don't you give him a chance? I mean, he's better off than Benjamin.
Paul is Benjamin's best friend. He knows I am dating Benjamin, and yet he still asks me out.
I know Paul is Benjamin's best friend. But that guy is better than Benjamin. I mean, there are some qualities he possesses that Benjamin doesn't. Why don't you give him a chance?
No, Chi, I can't. Relationship is something that has to do with love. And I don't feel anything for Paul, so I can't date him.
Anita, you are funny. Yes. You are in love with Benjamin. You are busy falling in love with Benjamin, while he, on the other hand, is busy hurting you, playing, toiling with your heart and feelings. And you're here loving him. Listen, my dear, I'm only but a friend. I can only advise you. Yes. But trust me, pick Paul ahead of Benjamin and enjoy the rest of your life. Paul is better than Benjamin.
Hi, Juliet.
Oh, shut that, that's how you call him out. It stings. And you know I don't like you, right? Now you do me some favor. Anytime you see me, do not extend any form of greetings to me. Do you get it? Don't. I don't need it.
Don't you think you're becoming so disrespectful? I mean, very soon I'm going to be your aunt. I'm your brother's girlfriend, for crying out loud. So you should respect me.
This must be the biggest joke of the century. You know, for a moment I thought you were only dreaming. But now I've come to a conclusion that you were delusional. Now you take my advice. That is, if you have any brain to accommodate any. Look at you, wasted beauty. Leave my brother alone. Okay?
Do you know what? I think you need the advice more. I mean, let your brother live his life. He is for me. Go get yourself a man. Please. You're just so annoying. Excuse me. Baby, should have continued. Maybe to rise again.
No. Baby. It won't. Baby, didn't you notice something?
What?
My breathing has changed.
Yeah.
I'm not breathing heavily.
It's okay.
Baby.
It's okay. Maybe we should call it a day.
Baby, this has never happened to me before.
Rest, okay?
Thank you for understanding.
Yes, who is that? Come in, please. What are you doing here?
What are you doing at home? I wasn't expecting to see you in the house.
Really?
Yes.
I don't like men visiting me. So what are you doing here?
But I'm not man, remember? At least, can I at least?
No. I just told you that I don't like men visiting me. Paul, listen to me. You are a great guy and a very good friend. But the truth is that it's not possible to date you. So please, just stop wasting your time, okay?
The word impossibility doesn't exist in my dictionary. I believe in possibility. Baby, I love you. I really do, okay? Just give me a chance to prove myself to you. Please, just break some eggs for me, okay? Baby, just cut me some slacks, okay? I bought this for you. Hope you like it. Please.
God, there is something that has been happening to me. That's happened like 3 times. But it's beginning to give me so much concern.
If I may ask, what is troubling you? What is it?
Whenever I want to make out with my wife, I will not come before my thing will just go limp. And if it does, there is nothing I will do to it that will make it stand again.
This is serious. This is very serious. What might this be, if I may ask?
I don't know. I've tried to figure it out. I've tried to think of the reason why this could be happening, but there is nothing that could just come up.
Well, I would suggest you confide in Dr. Benjamin. Let's see what he has to say first. You understand? Before we can, jump to any conclusion. Understand?
I think I agree with you. I think I'll call him and book an appointment with him.
Just do that. Your wife, she's beautiful. Oh. She's not supposed to be lonely at night, if you know what I mean. So, do something.
I am happy that God disappointed the plan of the enemy over your lives. What is left now is to put them to shame and give me a grandchild.
Thank you very much, Mama. We are working towards that. And in no distant time, you will hear good news.
Wow.
Yes.
This is the kind of thing I like to hear. Okay. Please, love your wife. She's good and a delicate woman. Please, love her as I've loved you.
Mama, you can say that again. I love Priscilla so much. She means everything to me. And she's worth every bit of my love.
She deserves it.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my daughter.
Let me go and grab your bags so you don't miss your bus.
Okay. Excuse me.
Okay.
It's like you are just coming back from the city.
Ndide, you're seeing me here, you're still asking me. So, what answer will I give to you?
Forgive me. Hey! Thank God I am the first person to set my eyes on you. Maybe I'll come to the house for my bread.
You know you are always welcome to my house.
Ow!
So tell me, what I heard about Angelica, is it true?
My dear, it's a long story. Don't worry, when I come to the house, I'll give you the full gist of the story. Akoko Kare.
Hey, okay. I'll be waiting for you.
Well,
Make sure that you come. I'll keep your own bread for you.
I will come, don't worry.
You need
I will come. Okay. Oh yeah. Move. Take me to my house. What do you think you are doing in my house?
Mama, welcome.
How many times have I warned you to stop painting yourself and dressing like a half-castrated harlot in my house? How many times have I warned you, Rose? Just few days that I left for the city to see your elder brother, you started sharing your body to the devil to be used, right? But let me tell you, my God is greater than you. It will not work. And I am going to wash away this mark of Satan you have marked yourself to use.
Mama. Mama.
Mama. Come here. Come back here. Come back here. Anu ofia. Anu ofia never would repent na wani rugi. Look where you. What you can take for nazu. Come back here today. It's me. I will deal with you. Nonsense. Look at you.
But you know I've advised you before about how you play while driving. It's not nice at all. What if something bad had happened to you, all in the name of your careless adventures?
Take several seats and give me a chill pill. I am going to enjoy my life to the fullest.
Really? You're alright to life, and we know that. But you shouldn't forget we're talking about your safety and your survival here. Well, thanks be to God for His message.
That's what you should be saying. Thanks be to God. From where I stand, there is no way I'm letting boredom mar my marriage.
Oh, yeah, I know. But you should please do that with caution.
Yeah.
Please. You shouldn't do anything that will put your life or that of your husband's life at risk. Huh?
Get it. I heard
Okay?
you. I heard you.
Thanks, my love.
Josh, how's she doing? I hope she's getting better now.
Hey, man. Take it easy. That's my wife. You're asking me about her like that.
Of course I know. Huh? After all, she was my friend before you guys got married.
Oh, please. I know that, but how can you just walk up to me, no greetings, no handshake, just start asking about my wife? Look, she's my wife, not our wives.
Calm down, bro. Calm down. Huh? Of course I know she's your wife. Why are you so jealous?
I'm not jealous.
Listen, it's just that seeing her in that state of unconsciousness got me really worried. What if she died?
Die? Ben, relax. She's fine. Look, what happened to her was just an accident. Why would she die? It was just a minor accident. It could happen to anyone. It's not her time. She cannot die, okay? I mean, she has not even given me the beautiful kiss that she owed me in this life.
Well, that sounds very comforting, though.
You can say that again. You know, I was thinking, Ben, since we left the university, it's your success. Why haven't you just settled down?
Well, I am still looking for that perfect woman. Not everybody's as lucky as you are.
How do you mean perfect woman? There is no perfect woman. We made them perfect with our love.
Yeah, you're right. There are no perfect women. The only perfect woman we have right now is Priscilla. She is actually a symbol of perfection, if you ask me.
You're hallucinating. Yes, you are. She's not perfect. You're only seeing her like that. That's how it seems, but definitely not the way it is.
Enough of this discussion, Josh. So tell me, how are you doing now? I mean, health-wise. Are you still taking those medications I give to you?
Yes, doctor. There's still a little pain on my head, but it's gradually clearing up, okay? And I noticed a little change in my system. Like, I can't look at erection and perform, you know. I'm gradually turning to like 1 minute man.
It's all right. You just come to the hospital tomorrow. I'll look for other drugs to give to you because the one I gave to you earlier is for blood clog, just in case you have any internal bleeding. All right, and also run some tests to be sure of this new body change. You don't have a problem, my friend. What do I offer you, please?
You seen Benjamin today. I hope it's not business as usual. I want you to know also that I will not be taken for granted. You're married, and you should know that I come first before anything else or anyone else.
Oh, come on. Hey. Cyril, you will always come first, I know that.
Well, I'm just saying that if you come back late, I won't find it funny. I mean, if your friend wants to see you, he should find you here in your house.
Yes, madam. I will do exactly as you have said. But don't you forget that he was once your boyfriend.
Jesus Christ, don't even go there. Don't go there. I mean, I was never into him. He was too much of a flirt back in the day.
Oh, yeah?
I was only into him for his academic brilliance, that's all.
Baby, you have nothing to worry about.
Yeah?
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
I just told him about the recent happenings when we're trying to make out.
You told him?
Yeah.
What did he say is the cause?
Nothing. He just said I should try and make out time to come to the hospital. Run some tests about that. You know, I'm really thinking about going to the hospital tomorrow. Baby, this thing is giving me so much concern.
Well, tomorrow when you see him, I'm pretty sure he will have a solution to it.
I'm hopeful. Baby.
By the way, you look dapper.
Thanks a lot.
Are you sure it's just your friend you're going to hang out with? Or are you going somewhere else?
Oh, don't say that.
Excuse me.
What should I prepare for dinner?
Baby, what would you like to have for dinner?
What do you think? Rice and chicken sauce will do?
Did you hear him? I was about to suggest that. You were about to suggest that? Okay. Okay. That means that's what we're having. Alright. So you go and prepare. Alright. Thank you. Rice and chicken sauce.
Yeah. Eunice. Hi. Nothing's happening. If you see the drama at our last meeting. Angelica created a big scene just because she came late and our chair lady asked her to pay for her lateness. Angelica turned to Nkiruka and asked her to pay for her because she's owing her 1,700. They come and say embarrassment. I felt for her. I was ashamed, though, despite they are friends. But come and see shame in my face. You know that Angelica is always like that. And that is why she doesn't have any lasting friend. Her ego is something else. Mpako Bunkea. That is why I've been distancing myself from her. That woman behaved like someone who is possessed. Exactly. Huh? I remembered one of those days I saw her coming. And I greeted her because she doesn't feel like greeting me. Do you know what Angelica did? You told me she insulted you and asked you if greeting is by force. Okay, now. If you got on your exactly. Since that day, I learned to shun her and keep a distance from her. But wait, I wonder how she survived with her husband. They hardly have any problem. In fact, I haven't seen two of them quarrel before or fight. That is a mystery everybody's talking about. That is just a mystery. Agaracha. Have you finished wandering the whole entire Umibeka village?
Mama. Mama Biakwa. Mama, you sound as if I've been gone for long.
Shut up! Shut that your stupid mouth up! Where did you even go? Except going to see all these jobless and useless boys that are floundering themselves in this village. Okay, since you're back, go and prepare what we eat this night. But if you say you are not, it's okay. I'm okay like that. Eunice. Why will you say a thing like that? Why will she refuse to cook the food both of you will eat? She will not even try it on my side. See when she's coming back. Look at her. And this is what she's doing nowadays. No respect for them again. Not at all. Her own is too much. What she do is to eat, sleep, and go out. Go and see all these useless boys. She will go find and come back.
Ada? Ada?
Sir?
Go and see who is at the door. Ada, who is that? Ada, who is that?
Hey! Son of a great man.
Benjamin.
What's good, bro?
Everything nice and cool.
Wow. You are doing so well for yourself, bro. Huh? Look at you.
Benjamin, please have a seat.
Oh, thank you very much. I almost forgot.
Benjamin.
Wow.
I didn't hear your scores now. The whole town. You are the life magician. The hospital is booming just because of your medical experience.
Hey, come on, man. Don't be deceived by what you see in the hospital. All right? I'm just an employee. It's not even mine.
Oh, forget about that. You have a percentage.
So, where is our wife?
You never cease to abuse me. Our wife again.
Of course, our wife, bro.
Honey? Baby! Yeah. My love.
Come, your boyfriend is here. Of course you do.
No, I don't.
Look at you.
How are you?
Come here. How have you been?
Good.
Wow. Good to see you.
Same. This is a pleasant surprise.
Of course.
So how have you been?
Alive. I know you and Josh thought I was going to be dead after you all broke my heart.
Oh.
But shame! I'm alive.
Keep quiet.
Thank God you survived.
Look, who is going to break your heart anyway? You, the great womanizer. I warned you on time. I told you to leave her alone for me. She's mine, and mine alone. Not be every woman where waka come between us, you go punch now. Benzema.
But I think you're forgetting something.
What's that?
I saw her before you.
Oh, yeah.
As a matter of fact, you were almost about to pass her.
Yeah.
I asked you to stop. And there she was.
You're right. You're damn right. So thank you. Thank you for doing that, because now I have the best man on earth. Thanks to you.
You're welcome. I can see that.
Chidera, do you know that Benjamin has not called me since I left his house? That guy gets mine though.
If he hasn't called you, then you forget about him. Yes, he's not the only man. Anita, have you looked at yourself in the mirror? As in, have you really checked yourself in the mirror? Do you see how beautiful you are? Why not give yourself a chance? Give yourself a chance and you will see loads of men queuing up just to have you.
I know. But the thing is, they are all the same. Men, they are all selfish and self-centered.
No, I don't agree with you. All men are not the same. Yes, there are still some good men out there. I mean, these men are not raised by one mother. Just give yourself a chance. Give yourself a chance to be loved and you will find the right person.
I'm thinking of going to Benjamin's house tonight.
What? No. Did I just hear you well? You're thinking of doing what? Wait, babe. Don't tell me that all the sermon I've been preaching here is just falling on an empty ground. No. Everything when they talk here, and nonsense now they talk. As I'm seeing you like this, you're giving me the impression that you're cheap and desperate.
No.
Yes.
I am not. Listen to me. I love Benjamin. I can't just live without him. I can't imagine myself having something to do with another man. It's Benjamin or nobody.
See, my friend, Stop acting like a fool. Wake up. Why not wake up from this your dream? Wake up and embrace the truth. Stop being a fool. This Benjamin doesn't love you. He doesn't love you. Anita, stop doing this to yourself and embrace the truth. Huh.
Here. This is for what we discussed the last time. The prescription is boldly written behind the pack.
Ben, what could be the cause of this?
Stress-induced sometimes. But recall you had a hard-on before the accident. That could actually contribute immensely to this. But not to worry. This medicine will take care of everything.
Thank you very much, Ben. I hope so. This thing is becoming something of huge concern for me.
I understand, but don't worry yourself so much, Josh. You'll be fine. And look at you. You're getting more beautiful by the day.
That's because I have a good man to maintain this beauty.
Oh, come on. You've always been beautiful, even before he stole you from me.
Stole?
Oh, yes, of course. Stole. Please excuse me, I have to take this call. I'll be right back. Hello. Yes, Dr. Ben.
I don't come. Who is that? Maleek? I don't tell you to ask anything.
I've been calling you. Please taking my calls. I'm so sorry. You know I was upset after what your brother did to me the last time.
I know.
And do you know up to now he hasn't called me?
Wait, you mean Benjamin has not called you up to now?
No.
After everything he did to you?
He hasn't. That's Ben for you. And here I am as usual. What can I do? He's a man's word and I'm in love. The thing is, whenever I have any misunderstanding with Benjamin, he doesn't even call to apologize. I always do the calling and apologize.
Well. I'm happy you're here. And guess what? I'm going to make sure he apologizes to you.
Ben,
let's take
apologize
it as a
to me.
challenge. Of course.
I don't think so.
What do you mean you don't think so? Well, watch me do it. Because he will.
He has never done that.
I'm his sister. He will. He will listen to me.
Okay. That's by the way. Let's go in.
I missed you too. You have a lot to tell me.
A whole lot.
A whole lot.
Oh,
Babe, I know you're upset with me because of what happened the last time. Sincerely, I'm sorry. Okay?
You're sorry? You're sorry and you never bothered calling me? For the past 12 days, I expected your call, but I didn't get it. Please tell me, Benjamin, how sorry are you?
I know no matter what I say right now, nothing's gonna make sense to you. Huh? I know I should have called you. Yeah, but I'm sorry. But trust me, baby, lots has happened.
What happened?
You don't need to know. It's not as if I do not want to tell you about it. I would like to tell you about it, but you don't need to know.
Benjamin.
Yes.
I need to know what happened. I need to know why you did not pick up your phone to call me. I need to know where this relationship is headed to. I need you to define this relationship for me. I need to know my stand in your life.
Babe.
I love you. Right? I love you so much and I want to spend the rest of my days with you. You should understand this.
But you're not acting as if you love me. You're not acting as if you want to spend the rest of your life with me. You are not, Benjamin. I need more. I need more of you. I need you to show me. I need you to love me. I need to feel that you love me. I need to feel that you're committed to this relationship, Benjamin. I'm a woman. I need more. I need more of what you're giving me.
Give me some time. I need to fix things. I mean, I'm going through a lot right now. I just need more time. Trust me, all of this will be fine.
Benjamin, I love you.
I know.
I love you so much. You can confide in me. You can tell me what the problem is. We can share the problem together. Listen, keeping secrets will not help us.
Just give me time. Everything's going to be fine. Trust me. Come. I'll be right back.
Are you gonna doubt me next time? I won't. I told you he was gonna apologize. Didn't he?
He did, and I'm still surprised that he did. What did you actually tell him? Well, never mind. You know, your brother has never apologized to me before. He has never said I'm sorry, so I'm so surprised.
Well, he's my brother, and I don't want to say I know him more than you, but then he did what he ought to do. I mean, have you seen you? You are a raw gold. You ought to be cherished, so...
Juliet, please stop flattering me. Do I really deserve these praises?
Of course.
Really?
I know it. You deserve every bit of the praises I give to you. I mean, I need to look at you. And you know what? I love you so much. I do. And I pray that you spend the rest of your life with that big head of a boy called my brother. Sure, I do.
That's my prayer too. You know, I really love Benjamin. I love him so much. And I want to spend the rest of my life with him.
I know, right? And it will happen, trust me.
Amen. I can't wait.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
How are you?
I'm good. Oh, baby, I'm not in that mood. Baby, I'm not in that mood, baby.
What mood?
Relax. Oh, baby.
What?
What are you trying to do?
You know what I'm trying to do?
No, relax.
What?
Relax.
What is it?
I'm not in that mood, okay?
Let me put you in the mood.
Relax, okay? Baby.
What? Would you relax? Josh? Josh!
I feel so ashamed. I feel less a man. So how do I tell her? And will she understand? Oh, everything is falling apart. My world is crumbling. But how do I explain it? And where do I start? Someone tell me what to do. Cause I don't know what to do. And I feel so ashamed. How will I explain it? Someone tell me what to do, cause I don't know. Someone tell me, cause I don't know. They say it's unacceptable. How did this even happen? Oh, I'm so ashamed of myself now. But what will I do? I feel so ashamed. I feel less a man. So how do I tell her? And will she understand? Oh, everything is falling apart. My world is crumbling. But how do I explain it? And where do I start? Someone tell me what to do, cause I don't know what to do. And I feel so ashamed. How will I explain it? Someone tell me what to do, cause I don't know. Someone tell me, cause I don't know.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, is your guy in?
Yes, sir. He's there, sir.
Ben, you're not getting me. You don't understand me at all. My home, my family is gradually tearing into shreds, and there is nothing I can do to save it. Ben, my perfectly planned and built family is on the verge of collapsing.
Josh, you need to calm down. All right? Calm down and take a deep breath. Please.
You don't understand. Josh, calm down. Oh, you don't understand. When I left my wife heartbroken, unsatisfied, I believe she will be crying out her eyes by now. Look, Ben, what is happening to me? I don't understand. Why can't I have erection? Why can't I have erection and make love to my wife like normal men do? Do you think I'm impotent?
No. Come on. Josh, you cannot be impotent. All right? I think you just need to clear your mind when next you're meeting with your wife. Because erection is a function of the mindset. You need to know that.
If that is the case, then I'm losing my mind. I'm not only losing my mind, I'm also losing my wife. Look, Ben, the thing I fear most in my life is gradually happening to me.
Calm down, Josh. You need to have a positive mindset. Think about your wife. Huh? You need to calm down, please. All of this will be fine, trust me. I'll find a way.
Hi. Yeah. Baby, you didn't tell me.
Go back upstairs. I'm having a very important discussion with my friend. When I'm done, I'll come meet you.
Come on, baby. You know I love staying around you.
I said just go upstairs. I'll be with you shortly. Alright? Go upstairs.
I hate it when you talk to me so rudely. Please.
You dear girls of nowadays, you just give them a little opportunity and they want to own all of you. Huh? Can you imagine that? Josh, don't stress yourself too much, okay? Let me get you something to drink.
I feel so ashamed. I feel less a man. So how do I tell her? And will she understand? Oh,
You're not eating without me. You don't even call me. I'm very, very hungry. What is it?
If you touch this food, I'll empty it on you.
How do you mean? I'm hungry.
Oh, so you now get hungry?
Allow me to eat with you.
I thought you'd never get hungry.
Priscilla, I don't understand this drama you're trying to make. Please, allow me to eat with you, or you go in there and dish my food.
No, sir. There is no food for you. Not now, not ever. You think you can starve me and then have food? No. Food is for people that perform their conjugal duties. Have you been performing yours? Well, let me see. No, you haven't. All you do is get me riled up and leave me hanging. No food for you. Wait, baby. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it like that. I'm just really overwhelmed with the situation. We don't have children. To have children, we need to have sex. And we have not been having sex. It bothers me and it kills me at the same time. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Sit down, let me dish food for you. Please.
How do I explain it? And where do I start? Someone tell me what to do, 'cause I don't know what to do. And I feel so ashamed. How will I explain it? Someone tell me what to do, 'cause I don't.
What in God's name is this daughter of Babylon doing in this house?
Hold on. Sorry, baby, I'm back.
And sorry to disappoint you, darling. Because I am here and I'll be here every time. Every day. So you better brace yourself and accept it, because you are going to be seeing me in this house every day and night.
Benjamin! Benjamin!
Please, stop wasting your time. Because if he is your brother, you should know that by now he has gone to work.
You are aware he's on night duty. What then are you doing here? Can't you at least wait for him to return before you bring your ugly looking self into this house?
Huh? Are you this dumb? This is my boyfriend's house, so definitely I should be here. Do you have a boyfriend? No, I don't think so. Because if you do, you won't be this sad, little sadist. Rubbish. Just ruin my day. Look at these chicken wings. Just look at this crayfish. I don't blame you. It's Benjamin, my brother, I blame. He goes about bringing in any fly he sees on the road. And you, where do you think you're going to? Huh? Where do you think you're going to? Come here.
Stop.
What?
I've told you this before now. I can't do this. Not now. Why can't you just try to understand me?
You can't do what, Joshua? You're my husband. Why can't you make love to your wife? What did I ever do wrong to you?
Baby, this has nothing to do with you. It's all about me. I'm trying to fix this. Just try to understand me, please.
Joshua, how do I understand something that I completely know nothing about? What is this about? Whatever it is, you can talk to me about it. I can take it. We can walk through it together. Do you have an infection? We're a couple. We can walk through it together.
Oh, babe, please stop. I can't just do this. Excuse me.
Don't touch him.
Auntie, good morning.
Go. I'll call you when I need you.
Life. Oh, life.
Joshua. So you would rather drink yourself to stupor than share your problems with me?
How do I tell you that I can't get erection again? That I can't make love to you? How? How do I tell you that my perfect life is crumbling around me? Oh my God. What's happened to me? I have always been faithful to my wife. Why did you suddenly die between my legs? Why did you suddenly die? What happened? No one has answer for me. No one.
I feel so ashamed. I feel less a man. So how do I tell her and will?
Good afternoon. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Can't you go out there and look for something to do? Rose will not do that. Imam Mia, all you do is to sleep, wake up, eat, and look for one useless boy and visit.
Mama, I don't really like the way you have been attacking me in this house. Is there anything I will ever do in this house that you will approve or like without criticizing it?
Keep on sleeping. Keep on sleeping. Anwafia, keep on sleeping, Larobola. Can't you be useful for yourself for once? Will your brother continue to do everything for you?
Is he not my brother?
Anwafia. Okay, let your brother continue doing everything for you. How will you get out of my face? Go and sleep. He will do everything for you.
Everything is falling apart. My world is crumbling. But how do I explain it? And where do...
Hello, Priscilla. My daughter, how are you? You are crying.
What is it, my child? How is my son? Is he still alive?
He's fine. He just left for work this morning.
Then why are you crying? Please talk to me. Why are you crying? Please, this your voice is working my heart. Please, tell me.
Mama, there is something I want to tell you. But you have to come to the city to hear it. You have to come.
Okay, I will come tomorrow morning.
You will see me.
First, promise me that you'll stop crying now, please.
Okay, I won't cry again. I'll be waiting for you.
I'm so ashamed. How will I explain it? Someone tell me what to do.
Hello, Mama. Good afternoon, ma. Yes, ma. I'm fine, ma. Mama, everything is fine. Did she tell you there was any problem? You should have asked her, Mama. You should have asked her. No. Mama, you know now, I don't have problem with you coming to the city. The point is that you're always welcome, Mama. Okay. Alright. I don't know why Priscilla will ask Mama to come to the city tomorrow. What does she want to discuss with my mother?
Why not call her and find out? Or better still, wait till you get home. You find out.
I think I'll take the second option.
It's alright. You know, recently, your family, is there nothing you can do? Is there nothing you can do to, make things start working again? Everything seems to be going, sideways.
Oh, Tony, you won't understand. I'm trying my best. But what can I do? How do I restore back this happiness? What is there in a happy family without sex? Come on, man. You should understand what is happening.
I get you. But why not just try this herbal medicine? There's this possibility that it'll work. You should know what I'm talking about.
No, I'm not the one for that kind of discussion. Come on. Think civilized, man. What are you talking about? You should see they hawk that shit on the street without license. That's concussion.
Sometimes they do come out good, You never can tell. Anyway, just I just want you to just get well, and you know, I want you to get well. I want you to get back to yourself. You know what I mean?
I'm hoping so, bro. I'm hoping so. Just wish I can have my family back with happiness, everything working fine. You know?
I understand how you feel.
Sex is very, very important in the family, bro. Sex is
Sure.
very, very important.
Sure, man.
Sex is very, very important.
You know, coupled with the positions matters. If you know what I mean, I'm just trying to cheer you up, man.
Priscilla, what did you tell Mama that made her to call me on the phone today? Am I not talking to you? What did you tell Mama that made her to insist on coming to the house tomorrow morning? Can't you hear me? I mean, what is even wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Can't you as family, mature people, discuss our family issues without dragging outsiders into it? Priscilla, what is wrong with you? How long can we continue to wash our torn, dirty linen outside?
So how do I tell her, and will she understand? Oh, everything is falling apart, my world is crumbling, hey, but how do I explain it, and where do I start? Someone tell me what to do, 'cause I don't know what to do. And I feel so ashamed. How will I explain it? Someone tell me what to do.
Come into my arms.
Oh, baby.
You're late.
Oh, yes. I'm so sorry, baby.
What happened?
You should know how busy the banks are in this part of the world,
Mhm.
where the customers rush in to pay money made during the weekend. And there are always massive withdrawals.
Right.
Yes, baby.
Well, at least now you're back into my arms.
My love, you should know I will always be back in your arms.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, you look
What's
beautiful.
this? Thank you.
I
What do you
bought you
have?
something.
You did, huh?
Yeah.
What did you get?
Oh,
Come on,
baby.
come on, come on, come on. Wow. This is wow. Baby.
My love.
Can you please join me in the kitchen while I make food? Please?
Sweetheart, you know I just came back from work. I'm as tired as hell.
But I need my man. I want you to keep me company with this your handsome face.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Please give me some time. Let me rest, okay?
Please. I need you.
Okay. Okay. If I'm going to join you, you make me a promise.
Mm-hmm.
You will give me fish and meat while I join you.
You don't have a problem, baby.
It's a promise.
I got you. Come
Oh,
on.
my love, let's go.
Let's go. Meat, fish, kanda, shaki, roundabout, coming through.
Oh my God. How do I restore back these old, beautiful days in my life? How do I bring back this bliss that has disappeared from my family? Priscilla, I love you so much.
So how do I tell her, and will she understand? Oh, everything is falling apart. My world is crumbling. But how do I explain it? And where do I start? Someone tell me what to do. 'Cause I don't know what to do. And I feel so ashamed. How will I explain it? Someone tell me what to do. 'Cause I don't know. Someone tell me.
What are you doing here? Not without idea. What are you doing here?
Hello, beautiful. How are you doing?
Are you stalking me?
No, I'm not. If I had my chance, my way, I'll stalk you. Because that will give me enough time to spend time with you, my beautiful one. Chi,
Hi.
how are you doing?
I'm fine. You look good today.
You look beautiful too.
Thank you.
And she look extremely beautiful too.
Again, are you stalking me, Paul?
No, I'm not. I was passing by, so I saw the both of you going in. So I decided to wait. Maybe when you guys come out, I either give you a lift or ask you for a request. Do you mind going out with me for lunch?
No.
Come on, just lunch.
Come on.
Lunch.
Paul, we are in. Where are you taking us to?
Anywhere of your choice. Just name it. Come on, I don't bite.
You mean this is what you have been experiencing? Since I left this house, my son has not touched you. Is that what you're saying?
Mama, I have tried every possible means to get him to make love to me. But he pulls out at the last minute. It's almost as if he's taunting me.
Why didn't you say anything? Why did you keep quiet all this while? Or don't you want to have a
child for my son?
I thought he would change. But every day he gets worse than he was the previous day.
My son, all your wife said, are they true?
Mama, there's no point asking him because he has nothing to say in his defense. And this is a man that used to make love to me at least twice a week before we got married. I have told him to let me know if it's any fault of mine so I can make adjustments. Because I need my husband back.
Twice a week? Joshua na ogini meziri. Ke ihe meziri jizi kwụsị iri ihe anyị na-eribu? Why did you stop eating the same thing you were stealing twice a week? What is the problem? Or don't you want to give your mother grandchildren?
Mama, I'm sorry. My love. I'm sorry for making you to pass through all this. It is not my intention. Just that honestly speaking, I don't even understand. You will not understand. You will not understand.
My son, what is it that we cannot understand? Talk to me. I am your mother. I carried you in my womb for 9 good months. And she's your wife. We are your only family. Please tell us, is there any problem? It's better you tell us so that we can know how to help you.
Mama, I'm truly sorry for everything. Baby, one thing is sure, I promise you this, I will change.
Where are you going to? Joshua! Joshua! Mama, that is how he works out every time the topic is raised. My daughter, I will not go back until you tell me that you are pregnant. What is it? Who can have a beautiful girl like you without touching her? This is not good. This is not good. You keep on saying, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
How can I tell Priscilla that I am impotent? Like I suddenly become impotent. The shame, the humiliation is something I cannot bear. Or the thoughts of her giving up on me and start sleeping with another man is what I cannot take. Oh my God. What am I going to do? What am I going to do?
Everything is falling apart. My world is crumbling. But how do I explain it? And
You have a abo. What are you going to talk with? Gam, bagaba.
Yes, I get that now.
Manpower, strong one.
Yes.
Okay, give me, let me test.
Small cow, won't test.
Let me test.
Where do I start? Someone tell me what to do. Cause I don't know what to do. And I feel so ashamed. How will I explain it? Someone tell me what to do. Cause I don't know. Someone tell me. Cause I don't know. They say it's unacceptable. How did they see?
As in, the one that will be working very, very, very well at night.
Yes, you go walk with him.
What will I do? I feel so ashamed. I feel less a man. So how do I tell her? And will she understand?
I should finish it.
Then take on once.
Everything is falling apart. My world is crumbling.
It's very bitter.
Yeah, not say the bitter, but that's what I tell you, make you take on once.
You feel me like an arm? Oh. Say to walk. Yeah. Please give me take away the main route, so I can be drinking at home. It's very good for jiggy at night,
Yes. If you take on like your body good day, okay.
I go jiggy in the night.
Yes.
Now, but what will I do? I feel so ashamed. I feel less a man. So how do I tell her? And will she understand? Oh, everything is falling apart. My world is crumbling. But how do I explain it?
It's like what?
And where do I start? Someone tell me what to do. Cause I don't know what to do. And I feel so ashamed. How will I explain it? Someone tell me what to do.
Hey, let me see something like this. Hey, I know you're a bad dancer. Who's your guy? Hey, Juliet, not only me, one like What is this slut doing here?
What are you doing here?
What? Did you just call me a slut?
Of course I just did. Are you not a slut? You should be ashamed of yourself. What are you doing in my boyfriend's house?
Now let me warn you. By God, the next time you open this your gutter mouth to call me a slut again, I'll give you the beating of your life. You! As in, this broomstick I'm seeing here beats me! Not in this life.
Look at these chicken wings.
Listen, you don't know what's about to hit you. If I were you, I would just turn around and leave this house very fast! Or else what? What will you do?
Just shut that latrine.
No, you just shut up. Shut your gutter.
Are you talking to me that manner?
Yes, I'm talking to you. What will you do?
This girl is insane. She's mad. She's mad.
Did you just speak to me in that tone?
What will you do?
Shut that gutter.
Shut up.
Are you speaking to me in that
Yes,
tone?
I'm talking to you directly.
Are you still talking? I'm talking. I need to deal with that. Yes. Look at her. Chicken wings. Anita, you strangle her. Strangle her. Are you not coming back from by this time of the night?
Mama.
Oh! You want to see another girl, right? That is why you have been avoiding your wife.
You and I know that there is no other woman in my life. I love my wife.
Then where are you coming back from? Where have you been all day? Where?
I just went to clear off my head.
My son, the goat thinks that it's dating its owner's well. Not until it realized that the goat is spilling. Do you want to be that goat?
Go and meet your wife. Make her feel like a woman. Then give me grandchildren, please.
Everything is falling apart. My world is crumbling. But how do I explain it? And where do I start? Someone tell me what.
Wait.
Welcome.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Wow. I'm very tired. Very, very tired.
How tired are you?
Very, very tired.
I can make your night interesting.
Huh?
Yeah, you heard me. Come on.
Just relax, okay? Just relax. Relax. Baby, relax, okay?
Come on.
I'm very tired, please, okay?
What do you mean you're tired? You haven't done anything to make you tired.
I just want to take a rest, okay?
Oh, I can't hear you.
Wait.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
I'm just tired, you know.
Why are you tired?
Just relax.
Okay, I'll make you have strength.
You want to give me strength?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, cool, okay? You can cheer me up, okay? Yeah, just relax.
Joshua, you're not getting out of this tonight. You must make love to me.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait.
Joshua, stop fighting.
Mama?
Stop fighting because you are not going to leave this room.
Mama, open this door. What is the meaning?
If you like, break it down. Go and make love with your wife. You must get her pregnant. What is it itself? A man like you will be running away from your responsibility. Do it! Menya! What
is the meaning of this drama? Mama, open this door!
The door is not going to open, Joshua. Just be a good boy.
What's the meaning of this?
She said, go on, make love to your wife.
Stop, baby. Stop, don't do this.
Do you want us to jump on the bed?
Wait.
We can jump, we'll be fine.
Wait, baby, don't.
We'll be fine. Come.
Wait.
Come.
Relax,
Come. Joshua, stop being dramatic. You're a man, you're not a boy.
Wait. Priscilla, you're going to make me do something stupid.
Why are you making it look like I want to rape you?
No, just relax, okay?
Okay, you relax. You're the one hanging on the bed. Relax.
Oh, no.
Where is he? Did he do it? Where is he?
Mama.
He did it. You mean two of you didn't do anything all through the night? Oh my God. What is wrong with my son?
Because Joshua is hiding something from me. What is wrong with my son?
Joshua.
No, Mama. Don't even say it. By the way, what are you still doing here? When will you leave to your house?
Joshua, are you asking me to leave your house?
Yes!
Are you asking me to go?
Yes, Mama. I'm asking you to leave my house and my life alone.
Shut up! What is wrong with you? What is it? Yala.
Mama, when are you leaving? I want you to leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my life alone. Mama, please, leave my house. Leave my house before you say I've insulted you.
Mama, I think I know what it is. I think I know why Joshua here has not touched me in a while. Mama, what it is that Joshua here is important. His manhood does not stand anymore.
Joshua, do you hear that? Is it true? Is it true that your transformer is dead? Before you start your warfare.
I...
You have nothing to say, Joshua. Oh dear God, how did this slip by me?
Mama, I'm taking some medication to fix this.
Oh my God. So, my son cannot father a child.
I just don't get it. Are you saying that Ben brought a woman to the house? That was not enough. Watch the both of you fought. And he didn't do anything. He didn't even try to separate you guys.
Honestly, I've done everything possible to make Benjamin know that I love him so much. But he keeps pushing me away. I don't know what else to do.
Well, that's bad. That's very bad. But remember I told you. Yes, I told you, but you wouldn't listen. I told you that guy was a player. He's an all-time player. They don't change. But yet you chose him over me. Yes, you chose him over me. Just look at me. A full-fledged grown man. Seeking for your love, and yet you chose to give it to Ben. Just look at you.
Oh, please, can you just stop? Please stop.
Don't tell me to stop, please.
You are a good man. But sometimes being a good man is not enough. Relationship has to do with matters of the heart. It is Benjamin I love. And I am ready to wait for him to change. So please just stop it already.
It's okay. I understand. Well, I wouldn't allow my selfish desires get in the way. Okay? No problem. I'll put in words for you. I'll talk to Ben and I'll make him see reasons with you. Okay?
Really?
Yeah, sure, I'll do that for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, where are you going to from then?
I'm going home. Please, if you don't mind, can you drop me?
Will I say no? Come on, up here.
Thank you.
Thanks for the ride.
You're always welcome. Don't forget what I told you, okay?
Sure. Take care of yourself.
Same here. please, stay out of trouble. I'll see you around.
Sister, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. So tell me, sister, is he going to stay outside until you say yes to him?
You see this your mouth, eh? If you don't shut up, I will scatter it for you.
I just asked a question. Why is she so angry? Sister, I just asked a question.
Mama, my love, these are the herbs I started taking, trying to restore back my health. It has not been easy for me with this knowledge. Babe, I'm sorry that I hurt you so much. It wasn't my intentions. I just don't know how to confide in you. I don't just know how to open up and tell you. Because I don't know how you will react towards it.
But darling, we promised each other. We made a vow to stand by each other in sickness and in health, till death do us part.
I know. Just that.
Jesus Christ. Sis, you went and fought because of a man? A man who has no or little regard for you? Sister, if this man has regard for you, he will not come back with another woman. Sister, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to yourself? Any man who cares about you will not think of cheating on you. Will you just shut up? Shut up your stupid mouth. How dare you blame me? This is my life we're talking about here. I decide what to do with it. Do you realize you're talking to your elder sister? Are you crazy?
Hey, hold it there. Do you see the problem I have with you? You are always shutting her up when you know she's telling you the truth. What is your problem?
Really? So what she's trying to say is that I'm supposed to sit down, fold my hands and watch another woman take away my man. Is that what she's saying?
Wait. Let me even ask. What is so special about this Benjamin? Because I don't understand. What's so special about him? It's not like he's even very handsome and rich. I don't understand.
Please. I will not tolerate you insulting my man before me. I won't take it.
Really?
Yes.
Well, Anita, I am not insulting him. I am not insulting Benjamin. But to see your approach towards this whole thing is becoming something else. Yes. There are thousands of men out there that are willing to take you in, to love you, to care for you, like a queen that you duly deserve. But you're not giving them that chance. You rather prefer some chronic womanizer like Benjamin. What is your problem?
I have seen that you both have ganged up against me. But I will not sit here and listen to your nonsense.
Really? And where do you think you're going?
To your house. What is wrong with my sister?
Benzema, honestly speaking, you know we have been friends from school days and we've got each other's back through thick and thin. You're like a brother to me.
Of course.
And I mean, there's nothing I can hide from you. Bro, my whole world is crumbling around me, and if nothing is done real fast, I might not survive this.
Hey. Josh, come on, Josh. Calm down. Nothing is going to happen to you or anyone else. I assure you that.
You won't understand. Benzema. I mean, I am completely... I'm dead. I'm dead down there. I mean, my manhood is no longer functioning. I'm dead.
What?
Completely.
Calm down. What about the drugs I give to you? Did you stop using them?
Those drugs? I have almost finished all of them. I even went as far as getting some local herbs to support it.
What?
I can perform one.
Josh! How can you do a thing like that? Those drugs are not verified by NAFDAC. Come on, you can't do that.
How do you mean? You won't understand what I've been going through. If you are in my shoes, you won't consider NAFDAC or DEFDAC. I'm trying to be a real man to my wife.
Trying to be a real man to your wife?
Yes!
In that case, causing more damage to yourself.
Oh, God. Look, Ben, the reason I'm here is because I need help. I mean, is there nothing we can do? As in... Ben, if I'm a Panaginamu, believe me, if I'm a Panaginamu.
It's alright, I'll have to do some tests to ascertain the level of damage you have caused to yourself.
Damage?
Yes.
How do you mean?
My sister, is there nothing to do to help my son? His working tooth is dead. And you know, if it doesn't rise, there is no how he can impregnate his wife. This is a serious trouble. Of course. What might be the cause? I don't know. According to him, he said he doesn't know. And the problem is still there. His wife is crying and complaining bitterly. Well, there is this man I know. He's very perfect in this kind of problem. I'll talk to him if I can. Please, try and do so. He's my only son. The future of the family lies with him. Please. It's okay, don't worry. On my way going back, I'll try and talk to him. That's okay. Speak of the future of your family. Benjamin, my son, has refused to get himself a wife. He prefers womanizing. That is what your sister is saying. But have you tried finding out his reasons for not finding a woman? If he cannot find one, then you get a woman for him. After all, our women here makes a good wife. It's okay, I will discuss this with him when I get home. It's okay, I will. I will try. Eunice, let me start going so I will stop by and check on Willow, the native medicine man. Okay.
I will be expecting your call or your message. Rose! Mama? Have you bring down the pot for the fire?
Yes, Mama. And I've eaten. I remain small for you. Should I bring it for you?
Okay. Bring it so that I can eat. So that you can go to market and buy something. Okay.
Some people came pretending to be your friend. Why did the ones that are killing you? From the enemies, they are dangerous. Just like a viper waiting to strike. So better be careful who you confide in. Even your best friend can be your enemy. They always smile in your presence, but their heart is so full of evil. Friendly enemy, someone you confide in can turn to be your enemy. Friendly enemy, someone you gave so much trust can put your life in danger. Friendly always to trust the be careful, my brother. Some people came pretending to be your friend. Why did the ones that